Sai Ram students, welcome to another session of GK students. Today we will start our new lesson number 15, Everyday Science. Now let us start question answer session. Write down in column B symbols for the elements in column A. Symbol of calcium is Ca. Calcium is a chemical element with the symbol Ca and atomic number 20. As an alkaline earth metal, calcium is a reactive metal that forms a dark oxide nitride layer when exposed to air. Next chemical element, carbon, symbol C. Carbon in nature is found in three forms called allotropes, diamond, graphite and fullerenes. Carbon is used as a fuel. Graphite is used for pencil tips, high temperature crucibles, dry cells, electrodes, and as a lubricant. Diamonds are used in jewelry and because they are so hard in industry for cutting, drilling, grinding, and polishing. Next element, copper, symbol Cu. Copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu and atomic number 29. It is a soft, malleable and ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. A freshly exposed surface to pure copper has a pinkish orange color. Next element, chromium, symbol Cr. It is a hard, silvery metal with a blue tint. Chromium is used to harden steel, to manufacture stainless steel, and to produce several alloys. Chromium plating can be used to give a polished mirror finish to steel. Chromium plated car and lorry parts such as bumpers were once very common. Next element, chlorine and symbol Cl. It is used to treat drinking water and swimming pool water. It is also used to make hundreds of consumer products from paper to paints and from textiles to insecticides. About 20% of chlorine produced is used to make PVC. Chlorine is a yellow-green gas at room temperature. Match the things used in our daily life with their chemical names. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride, which is option E. Sodium chloride is the chemical name for salt. Sodium is an electrolyte and regulates the amount of water in your body. Sodium also plays a part in nerve impulses and muscle contraction. Sodium chloride is used to treat or prevent sodium loss caused by dehydration, excessive sweating, or other causes. Chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, which is option C. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is the inorganic compound and its various hydrates. All forms are white, water soluble salts. All forms have a strongly alkaline taste and give moderately alkaline solution in water. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, which is option B. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda or bicarbonate of soda, is a chemical compound with the formula NaHCO3. It is a salt composed of sodium cation and a bicarbonate anion. Sodium bicarbonate is white solid that is crystalline, but often appears as a fine powder. Chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide, which is option A. Calcium oxide, commonly known as quicklime or burnt lime, is a widely used chemical compound. It is white, caustic, alkaline, crystalline solid at room temperature. Quicklime has a wide range of uses, including in the production of iron and steel, paper and pulp production, treatment of water and flue gases in the mining industry. Chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate, which is option D. Calcium sulfate, CaSO4 and related hydrates. In the anhydrates form, it is used as decident. One particular hydrate is better known as plaster of Paris and another occurs naturally as the mineral gypsum. It has many uses in industry. Fun fact, the baking soda that your mother uses in different recipes at home is actually a common name for sodium bicarbonate, which contains the elements of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Now let us see our new lesson, lesson number 16, Indian history. Choose the correct alternatives. The 1857 revolt broke out when the Governor General of India was option 1 Dalhousie, option 2 Canning, option 3 Lawrence and option 4 Curzon. Answer is option 2 Canning. Charles John Canning was an English statesman and the first Viceroy of India after the transfer of power from East India Company to the crown of Queen Victoria in 1858 after the rebellion was crushed. Next question. Which was the most important of the early secret societies of territories used? Option 1 Bharati Samiti, option 2 Anushilan Samiti, option 3 Swadesh Bandhav. Answer is option 2 Anushilan Samiti. Anushilan Samiti was an Indian organization in the first quarter of the 20th century that supported revolutionary violence as the means for ending British rule in India. The organization arose from a conglomeration of local youth groups and gyms in Bengal in 1902. Next question. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? Option 1 Iltutmish, option 2 Qutbuddin Aibak, option 3 Alauddin Khilji and option 4 Muhammad Ghazni. Answer is option 2 Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak, a slave of Muhammad Ghuri, who became the ruler after the death of his master, founded the slave dynasty. He was a great builder who built the majestic 238 feet high stone tower known as Qutub Minar in Delhi. Next question. Who founded the city of Hyderabad? Option 1 Muhammad Shah, option 2 Muhammad Khan, option 3 Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah and option 4 Chin Kilich Khan. Answer is option 3 Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. The old fortress town of Golconda had proved inadequate as the kingdom's capital, and so about 1591 Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the fifth of the Qutub Shahs, built a new city called Hyderabad on the east bank of the Musi River, a short distance from old Golconda. Next question. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Option 1 Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, option 2 Sarojini Naidu and option 3 Indira Gandhi. Answer is option 2 Sarojini Naidu. She was appointed the president of the Indian National Congress in 1925 and later became the governor of the United Province in 1947, becoming the first woman to hold the office of governor in the Dominion of India. Next question. What did the Mughals call themselves? Option 1 Afghanate, option 2 Baburites, option 3 Chaggatites, and option 4 none of this. Answer is option 4 none of this. The Timur dynasty or Timurids, the ruling family of the Timurid Empire and the Mughal Empire, who called themselves Gurkani or Gurkaniya. Gurkani means son-in-law of Genghis Khan. Next question. Whose reign is regarded as the golden period of the Mughal Empire? Option 1 Babur, option 2 Aurangzeb, option 3 Akbar, and option 4 Shah Jahan. Answer is option 3 Akbar. The reign of Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar is known as the golden period of the Mughal era, as he expanded the empire from nothing but a small kingdom to an empire that even the British were feared of. Next question. Who translated Bhagavad Gita into Persian? Option 1 Ras Khan, option 2 Abul Fazil, option 3 Abul Faizi, and option 4 Abdul Rahim Khan. Answer is option 3 Abul Faizi. Akbar had a committee of scholars with cross-lingual expertise. The Razamnama is a Persian translation of the Hindu epic poem Mahabharata, commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Akbar's court translations were made in several steps. The meaning was explained by Hindu scholars, and a first draft was made by the Muslim theologian Naqib Khan into Persian, and this was then improved upon by Faizi into elegant prose or verse. Fun fact: Muhammad bin Tughlaq was known as the Prince of Manias. Now, students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.